Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pictory to create automated video summaries. So it is a quick guide, and number one step is that you will just sign up or log in, go to Pictory and create an account or log in easily, and you will just upload your content easily. So I will just tap on it like AI video editor right over here, and here you will just upload a script, blog post or long form videos right over here. So I will just tap on it from my desktop, and I will just add it like as a sample this podcast which is short. And before proceed, you will just also change the languages from here right over here, but I will recommend it for English US. So I will just tap on it proceed, and after, when a Pictory will analyze the text or video right over here, so you will have to wait it for video uploading is in progress. So it may take several minutes. You will be notified once completed. To continue to work on other projects, click below. So we can wait for it. So the wait is over, the progress is complete. So what gonna do, you will just tap on auto generate summary. So for video uploads, Pictory uses AI to extract key highlights, and you will just also adjust manually select specific your like sentence and include in the summary scenes. But I will just recommend it for the auto generated summary. So I will just tap on it here, and from here you will just select the time. So I will be just give them time of 1 minute. So here you will see. So in this way you will just use Pictory to create automated videos summaries easily. So after you when just create your summary, and you will simply just tab on it, download highlights videos, and that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.